Hi guys, Jam is here once again with Power BI's another video. In this video, I will discuss about one of the important feature and concept of the Power BI related to the Power BI cloud service connection with on-premise databases. For example, your organization, your clients, they want to use the Power BI cloud service, but their database is available on the on-premise servers. So in that case, what you have to do, this scenario I will explain, I will demonstrate in front of you, and I hope it will help you to move forward to next stage of the Power BI analyst path. Let me connect to the login to the Power BI cloud service, and from there I will take you to the real scenario. Here we go. I think it would ask me about the credentials. Yeah, I will click on the sign in. Let me use my credentials. Yes. Here I am on the Power BI cloud service. So for example, you have published one of the or many Power BI reports from Power BI desktop to the Power BI cloud service, and your Power BI reports are connected with the on-premise databases. In that case, what you have to do so that your Power BI cloud reports should be connected with your on-premise databases, no matter wherever your users will go to use this Power BI. So in this case, Microsoft has provided one of the important installer which we can use, and it will help us to connect it with the on-premise database. Under this down arrow, download options are available. So here we will go for this data gateway installer. I will click on it. It will take us to this page from where we can download this gateway. Let's click on the download gateway, and it's download within seconds. Let me run this installer to install it. Click on the next button, and I think we will select this first option because this is shareable with many users and it can be used for different apps as well. Other mode is actually this personal mode, and it can be used only for Power BI. So let's install this gateway with first option. Next, it will ask me about my, I think, admin credentials of this computer. In the same way, for you, it will ask your credentials on your servers or on your computers. I have to accept the terms and conditions, and then let's install it. Now it will move to the next stage. And one more important thing, once you have installed this on-premise data gateway, so make sure you should install on that server or computer which is always turned on, so that only in that case your Power BI dashboards, reports on the cloud, Power BI cloud, will be connected with your on-premise database. Otherwise, if your server is down, then your Power BI dashboard or reports cannot make the connection. And I hope once you will follow these videos in the sequence, and you will follow the exact steps, I'm pretty sure that my videos will help you to add this Power BI skills in your profile as a very helpful addition in your profile, which will help you to present your one of the important Power BI add-on in your career path, because nowadays everybody is asking about the data, and more importantly the visualization, presentation of the data. Raw data is available everywhere, but at management level, at high level meetings, they want to see the visualizations of that raw data. So in that case, definitely every organization, wherever you go, they want some good dashboards. So that's why, in my view, Power BI is very important for techies to make them more valuable. It will take a little bit time to install, because at the back end it's installing different services, secured services. So another important point for the identification of the on-premise data gateway. So once you are installing, you should make sure you are connecting it with your Power BI credentials. Power BI credentials means once you are installing your on-premise data gateway, you have to give your same Power BI credentials which you are logged in on your Power BI cloud service, so that this on-premise data gateway can be identifiable for your Power BI cloud service. Enter my password. if you are installing it first time, we will select this register as a new gateway on this computer. Otherwise, if you want to connect it from existing gateway, you can select this option. So let's go with the first option. Have a specific name for the gateway. You have to give the recovery keys so that later on, if your Power BI on-premise data gateway is not connectable, you can recover it with these keys. I think this is the last step. Yeah, so it has been installed successfully. It has given me these messages that I can use this on-premise gateway for these apps. Wherever I want to use the on-premise connections, I can use this gateway. Let's close it, and now we can navigate towards our Power BI Cloud. And now we can find this gateway under the settings. Once you will go to the settings, there is one option, Manage Gateway. Once you will click on this Manage Gateway, it will take us to here. Before that, I was on two gateways. I have uninstalled. That's why these are not having connections. So, but once I will click on this, our latest installation, this Power BI new gateway, so it's run online. So here under this gateway now, this gateway has been connected. It's on my computer. So now I can connect this as many as databases or data sources which are connectable from my computer where my gateway has been installed. So for example, I will add one data source under this gateway. Name it like this. I will definitely select SQL. And I will give the server name. And I will say I will paste the select Windows. I will give the username. To the password. It's not been able to connect it. So what's the issue? Maybe I didn't give the correct name. Yeah, so let's give this database name. And what's the server name? OTP. Let's click now. I think now it should be successful. Yeah. So I was not entering the correct credentials. That's why it was not successful. But now you see, once I given the correct credentials of the server database, it's been connected successfully with that database. So here I could give the access. For example, if you want to give different users access to this data source related to reports or dashboard, you can give them, add them here, and you can give them access. So this installation is done. Now let's go to the another step. I want to give you the complete scenario, I want to demonstrate the complete scenario. Let's go to the Power BI desktop. Now from once I will publish my report from Power BI desktop, which is connected to my on-premise database. It will be easily connected live with the live connection from cloud to on-premise. Let's publish this report. Replace it. It will give me successful message. Yep, it has been published successfully. Let's close this. Now go to my workspace. From there I will go to this report, and here I will see it is connected with our live database, which is available on our on-premise. So you see this is available. This Power BI is on cloud, but it is bringing the data from my on-premise databases. So I think all this scenario has been demonstrated to you, and once you will watch this video, it will be understandable for you. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comments, and please do subscribe, like and comment this video so that I can record more beneficial video for you. Have a nice weekend, take care, and I will see you in the next video.